Bachelor of Physical Education and to be immediately followed by their oath of affiliation to the Alumni Association to be led by Mr. Mark Francis Agnote, the President, MCC Alumni Association. Graduates, please stand.
Good afternoon, everyone. Mabalacat City College Pledge of Loyalty. To all my fellow graduates, please rise or raise your right hand and repeat after me. We, the graduating class of 2024, pledge our loyalty to our alma mater, the Mabalacat City College.
The Mabalacat City College.
We vow to assimilate passion, integrity, excellence, and service in all our dealings. Personally and professionally. We will honor our alma mater by utilizing our skills and knowledge for the betterment of our lives, for the comfort of our families, for the prosperity of the Mabalacat community, and for the service of our country, the Philippines. We pledge to strive, to be successful in all our vows, to our alma mater. So help us God.